Guitarists, did you know that AI can help you learn faster, write better songs, and even dial in your dream tone? Today, I'll show you how. I've put together 80 powerful AI prompts for guitarists, and in this video I'll give you a sneak peek of just how useful they can be. AI is an incredible tool, but knowing how to ask the right questions is key. That's where my prompts come in. They help you get better answers and results. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate a couple of prompts using Google's Gemini. So the prompt I've chosen is from my technique development section, and it reads, my specific fingers in square brackets, that's where you substitute the words for your own words, lack independence and strength compared to my other fingers. When I try to play, describe what you're playing. This finger, describe specific problem. What targeted exercise would address this specific finger's development without causing strain? So let's fill in the blanks. So here we have the complete prompt. It is talking about my pinky finger when playing legato passages. Here are the results from Gemini. It says, understand the challenge, anatomical factors, habitual neglect, and strain risk. And then talks about targeted exercises, using isolated pinky exercises, strength training, coordination dexterity, stretching and warm-up, considerations, and an example practice routine. All of that from one prompt. You can always follow up this prompt and say, more isolated pinky exercises. And now Gemini will create more exercises. Let's try another prompt. This prompt is from the music theory application category. I understand basic scales and arpeggios, but my solos sound predictable. What theoretical approaches, beyond just scale choices, would help me create more interesting solos? Show me specific examples of how to apply these concepts on the fretboard. Let's see what Gemini comes up with. So you can see some excellent advice about targeting chord tones beyond arpeggios, how to apply it, using guide tones, melodic motifs and development, chromaticism, rhythmic variation, playing outside on purpose, phrasing and dynamics, and then some practice tips. All of these are amazing suggestions, and again, you can just ask Gemini to elaborate on a specific concept if you want more information. For my final example, I'm going to jump into the guitar maintenance section with a question I think most people will have asked at some point. My guitar's pickup selector, volume, tone control is crackling, cutting out, not working. How can I diagnose whether it's a dirty contact, loose connection, or component failure, and what's the repair process for each scenario? So I'm choosing that my guitar volume control is crackling, something that I've had happen a lot over the years. Let's see what Gemini says. And there you go. It tells you how to diagnose the problem, the repair process, and some important considerations. If you found these useful, there are 77 more prompts in my ebook, and it costs just $5. So head over to johnsguitargarage.store, the link is in the description below, and start leveling up your guitar skills with AI now.